Guess what I got? Rasasi Tawahuj. Pop her open. Here's how she comes packaged. Voila. Ooh, honey. Ooh, fancy, huh? Ew. So here is the bottle. She looks really milky. Let that dry down. Let it dry down just a little bit. Oh, like a vanilla powder with amber. Kind of lightly floral. Very soft and gentle. So if your allergies are bothering you, this is the one. If you like powder scents, vanilla powder, I ain't never really smelled vanilla powder, but vanilla powder is for me. Ooh, child. And see, she looks kind of milky before she dries down. So I want to be careful. Y'all, she smells amazing. Oh my goodness. Tawahuj is definitely going up in my top 5. For real, for real. Rasasi. Y'all know what y'all doing. Definitely about to be my bestie. This smell is just milky and creamy and satisfying. Just very gentle. If you're really sensitive to fragrances that are super strong, I'm telling you right now, try Tawahuj. You will not be disappointed, especially if you like vanilla scents. You will smell that little bit of amber. So she does smell lightly floral, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I might have to give me another bottle. Seriously, that's how good she smells. Like, I didn't really expect it, but like a vanilla cream, lightly powdered floral goodness, like really heavenly. Like, ooh. All right, y'all.